Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So we will continue with the next rule, which is known as the quotient rule. So suppose that we have a function which is in the type of ux over vx, or basically we have a fraction or a rational function. Okay, so the formula for differentiate that kind of function is just vu prime minus with u v prime divided by v squared. So let us look at the example. Suppose that we have fx equals to x cubed minus 3 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, so the numerator will always be the u and the denominator will always be the v. So u is equals to writing again the x cubed minus 3, and v is 2x minus 3 here. So we need to find the u prime and v prime. So please be noticed that u prime basically means we will differentiate this u with respect to x, and v prime here means we need to differentiate v with respect to x. Okay, so differentiating u, so differentiate this one, this is the x cube, which is under the case of power of x, and this one is the differentiating a constant. So differentiate the x cube should give you 3x power of 2, and differentiating this 3 here should give you 0 because it is a constant. And differentiate v, we should get 2. Okay, so we have the formula of f prime x, which is equals to vu prime minus with uv prime divided by v squared. So substitute everything into the formula, where we have vu prime is basically this one. So we should have 2x minus 3 times with 3x squared, and then minus with uv prime here. So the formula is minus, plus is for product rule, minus is for quotient rule. Okay, so uv prime, so we have x cubed minus 3 times 2, and everything is being divided by v squared, which is 2x minus 3 squared. Okay, so we should simplify the numerator. So let us expand this one. So we have this like this. So we have here is 6x cubed minus with 9x squared, and we also have this one here, which is 2x cubed minus with 6, and everything is being divided by 2x minus 3 squared. Alright, so we still need to simplify a little bit the numerator. Okay, so we should have here 4x cubed. Okay, so minus with 9x squared plus 6, and everything is being divided by 2x minus 3 squared, and that will be the final answer. Alright, so let us discuss another example. Suppose that we have fx here equals to 3x minus 1 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay, so as we have mentioned earlier, the numerator will always be the u and denominator will always be the v. So list down first the u and v, u prime and v prime. So u we have 3x minus 1, v we have x squared plus 3x minus 2. So we need to find u prime and v prime. So please be noticed again that u prime means we will differentiate this u with respect to x, and v prime here means we are going to find the differentiation of this function v with respect to x. So Our u prime in this example is 3, and v prime for this example is 2x plus 3. Okay, so plug in into the formula. So we have f prime x here. All right, so we have vu prime minus uv prime divided by v square. So vu prime is this bit. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 2 times 3. And then we have minus with uv prime, which is this one. So we have 3x minus 1 times with 2x plus 3. And everything is being divided by v squared, which is we have x squared plus 3x minus 2 square. Okay, so what we will do is actually simplifying the numerator. Okay, and then so that we should obtain we have 3x squared plus 9x minus 6. So expanding this one. Okay, so this and this, so we should get it is 6x squared. Okay, so plus with 9x minus with 2x and minus 3, and everything is being divided by the same denominator, so which is x squared plus 3x minus 2 square. All right, so let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so now we will continue to simplifying the final answer. All right, so which means we have basically so this 3x squared minus with 6x squared should give us a negative of 3x squared, right? So we have 9 minus 2, which is 7x. So 9x minus 7x, which gives us plus 2x here. And we also have negative 6. So plus with 3. Okay, so which is equals to negative 3. And divided by x squared. So plus 3x minus 2 squared. And that will be the final answer. Okay, so that's all for the time being. So we will continue with the chain rule in our very next video. I'll see you again. Thank you.